Hello there, my name is Thomas and you are watching my leather crafting channel. I don't know why, but it's always exciting for me to see what random people carry in their pockets every day. So today I'm going to empty my pockets and show you what my EDC consists of, including both leather and non-leather items. For those who don't know, EDC stands for Everyday Carry. It's the items you have with you all the time, things you can't leave home without. Just before I start, I want to mention that all the leather things you will see, you can order at my webshop strhandmade.com or find PDF templates and make it yourself. First up, it's not what I carry, but it's also related to EDC. It's a leather tray where most of the stuff goes when I'm getting home. Very convenient to drop keys, wallets, and etc. And you always know where everything is before leaving home. My wallet for now, for a while, I'm carrying Clap version 1.1 money clip card holder. One of my own first designs. It's compact, holds all my cards I need, including ID card and driver's license. Mostly I use card or phone to pay, but I always have to have at least 100 euros of cash. Card holder has 4 pockets. Inside pockets for cards I rarely need. It's ID card, driver's license. Particular this one is made of cognac color butter vegetable tanned leather, beige thread, and my logo pattern on outer pockets. As you can see, butter veg tan leather develops really nice patina. The watch which I got a year ago as a Christmas gift for myself. It's Garmin Phoenix 7. This watch definitely changed my life in a better way. I did my first half and my full marathon this year. The most unexpected super useful feature of this watch is flashlight. You can't even imagine how convenient it is always to have a flashlight on your wrist. Always have a knife clipped inside pocket. My knife is Spyderco Endura 4. Have this quite a long time, at least 5 years. Like it very much. Mostly it work when I need to open a random package I'm getting. Next we have phone. Phone I have is an old iPhone 12 with quad lock case. It's very reliable and steady system to hold the phone on a handlebar while cycling. Next is bundle of keys with a Lego brick keychain. Love Lego and always visit Lego store when I'm traveling to get a new Lego keychain. This particular brick is from Munich, Germany. Also here you can see braided paracord lanyard which I attached to this belt clip and drop the keys into back pocket. This belt clip is also my craft which I'm making of Horween shell cordon leather. Here we have a beautifully aged natural unglazed Horween shell cordon with a brass clip. Also very convenient to attach car key when getting out of the car. With the car key I have Apple AirTag case keychain as well made of Horween shell cordon, but this one is glazed natural Horween shell cordon. For the belt I have thick 1.5-inch wedge tan leather belt strap with original Lithuanian Army belt buckle with coat of arms used in restored Lithuanian Army in around 93. Also, in my pockets I have third generation AirPods with leather case. I know it sounds funny, case for a case, but it prevents actual AirPods case from scratches, and it's one of the leather things where you can see what a beautiful patina develops. In this case, Minerva leather tobacco color. So that's what's in my pockets, my EDC. Many of them are things I crafted myself. If you are interested in any of these leather items, you can find them or templates to make your own on my webshop estherhandmade.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this a bit different kind of video and see you next time. Bye.